Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good
Good
evening,
evening.
sir.
Sir,
Good
have this
evening.
meeting.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Hey,
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Chhatrapati ji, how are you?
Evening, sir.
Evening. It's 4:15, so shall we start the
Yes.
court rooms?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I hope all of you who have come here, they have come earlier. Just to give a brief to everybody, friends, between 4:15 and 4:30, we are going to have a small breakout sessions rooms where we are going to have networking between the members. So that means anybody who is new here, let's say now I'm in a breakout room called as number one, and I have Rajgopal and Alok Bansal is there. So I need to know what Alok Bansal does. So it is better that everybody is given 45 seconds of to 1 minute of introduction so that everybody can know who they are. And
Okay.
in case you have more time, you can have further discussions on it. So my request to everybody, one, keep your camera on. Keep your camera on so that they can actually see you when they talk to you.
Of
Second is
course.
ensure that let us cut our introduction to 45 seconds to 1 minute so that everybody in our team gets the chance to introduce themselves.
Of course.
Okay,
Right.
so yeah, I'm just enabling the breakout rooms. So as and when people join, I'll keep moving them to various rooms.
Okay. So, shall I speak, sir?
No,
One
no.
second, I'm just
Wait, wait.
moving into the different rooms, Rajgopal. Alok Bansal. I'm just moving into different rooms.
हाँ जी हाँ जी, तो मैं आपको टेलीफोन करूंगा परसों को। अच्छा। और ये विशेषता क्या है? आप बेफिक्र रहो, आपको बढ़िया चीज मिलेगी, घटिया नहीं मिलेगी।
Good evening. I cannot find any information regarding the room number. Please let me know whether meeting has started.
Subir ji, actually meeting has started already. We are
Huh.
moving into a multiple breakout rooms. So you'll be into one of the rooms for next 3-4 minutes, and then we are all back in the main session.
Okay, okay. It's okay.
You can just select any room also can go. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, sir.
Good
So,
evening.
how are you?
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Connect to somebody new.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening. I'm just
Good
greeting everybody.
evening, sir. Good
Good evening,
evening.
Yeah, it's
Good evening.
Good evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Anshumanji, 4:30 you can start.
Very good evening to you all. Welcome to another edition of class. Now we have made it a habit to invite you all to the series of master classes. And this additional series, maybe we will be able to continue for the next couple of weeks or a little more, because we have mostly covered all the topics. We have repeated some of the topics also. And we have got some request to take a session on how to set the goal on Rotary.org. So we are considering that we can have a separate session on that. And we'll complete this session again with a repeat session on how to upload the service projects in Rotary India. But today's topic, my dear friends, a little new. Because now what happens, everybody is so busy. Even if we go to the internet, if we connect to others, so even if we go to the website, if we find during the first 30 seconds that the contents are not attractive, we will be shifting to another website. Same is the case in case of the television channels. So if we go to see a television channel, if for the first 30 seconds or 1 minute, we find that it is not attracting us, we will immediately shift. So it's difficult to keep our attraction intact in some of our activities. So can be the case of Rotary India. If you want to find some of the activities in Rotary India, if it takes more than the required time, you may feel, okay, we will try it later on. So then we thought, why not? We create some shortcuts of some of the essential tools which we are having in Rotary India. So if you can note down or save these shortcuts, so it will be extremely easier for all of you to go to that particular section of Rotary India website and the app just by clicking to that shortcut. So it is a new thought on our part based on the feedback that we received from all the participants like you. So today, as usual, we will first discuss about this new initiative and how best you can use those. And what are the key elements that we have already developed shortcut and what else we can do based on the suggestions we will receive from you. And after that, we will have the question and answer session limited to this topic. And if time permits, we can take other questions as well, mainly on Rotary India. We normally avoid taking questions on Rotary.org, but sometimes you ask questions, we try to satisfy you as well. And as usual, after today's session, we'll send you a minutes of today's meeting along with the video link and also details about the next week's session. So now I request, as usual, our webmaster.
Anshuman,
Very-
we have PDG Gurjit, Zonal Coordinator for Zone 4, and I could see Prabir, Zonal Coordinator for Zone 6 here. So why don't you make them also speak something?
So welcome Past Governor Gurjit and Past Governor Pravir. Pravir is joining now quite regularly. Gurjit is joining after a couple of weeks. So Gurjit, how are you? And I request you to please address all of us. And then I will request Pravir also to give your feedback. And then we'll. Okay, over to Gurjit.
Gurjit, I think you should remove the backgrounds. Your face is half cut.
Yeah, I'm sorting that out. Yeah. So good evening, Anshuman. It's nice to be back after a few weeks I was away, and so a very interesting topic today of using links to connect easily and quickly to various aspects of Rotary India. Um, you know, Rotary India is a great platform for us, and it is up to us to derive whatever maximum benefit we can in terms of disseminating knowledge and information to your members and to the entire district, as well as for people outside, right? Personally, uh, me and my club use this for for the website we have, and which gets automatically updated, provided we update the rotaryindia.org. So it's not just having uh, access to the rotaryindia.org or the website. It is how we update our information, which can easily be disseminated and which really creates value for everyone. So I'm sure with the kind of interest this year we are seeing from various people. Today also we have 174 people logged in. I'm sure Rotary India will serve the purpose for which it was developed, to capture the good work Rotarians in India are doing and to be able to disseminate to everyone. So I congratulate Naren Rao and led by the evergreen Anshuman ji for taking this initiative. And let us have a very interactive session at the end, and we look forward to your questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Gurjit. Those who are new to Rotary India platform, let me share with you that we have a very robust administrative setup in Rotary India. You all know that in India, we are having, in South Asia, we are having 4 Rotary zones, 4, 5, and 6, 7. So past Governor Gurjit Singh Sekho is a very senior Rotarian. He is the head of Rotary India for Zone 4. And past District Governor Praveen Chatterjee, who is also here, he is the zonal head of Rotary India for Zone 6. And we have 2 others who are not here today. Past Governor Nanda Kumar from District 3232 He is the zonal head for Zone 5. And past governor Nagendra B.L. Prasad, he is from District 3192. He is the zonal head for Rotary India Zone 7. And I am past governor Angshuman Bandyopadhyay from 3291. I am the chairman of this Rotary India website since we started this initiative 5 years ago. So I am continuing to head this Rotary India initiative. So we are having with us past Governor Pravir Chatterjee. Pravir, just 2 words from you also.
Thank you very much, Anshumanda, Gurjit ji. A very, very good afternoon to you also. And a
Naren
very
Pravir
good
is here.
afternoon to each one present here today. Friends, I hope you all must be enjoying Rotary
yes.
India nowadays because it has become our now habit. I think it is the time we should make Rotary
Yes.
India our habit. Like WhatsApp, like Facebook, something like that. Why not we use it? And the best part, this is one of the strongest tool in our for our Rotary activities. And within a fingertip, we can check what is happening, where it is happening, and how much it was involved, how many Rotarians were involved, how many beneficiaries were there. And the moment you see all those, I think, why not you be a proud Rotarian? Yes, friends, to be a proud Rotarian, please do use Rotary India so you can proudly say, yes, I am a Rotarian and I am an Indian too, because the work, the service work, maximum service work is happening around the world is in India. And I really thank our Narendra as usual for taking this up, and regularly he is adding new features. What a fantastic, what it was 3 years back and now where it is. Friends, please do encourage him, and I think he will go on adding more features so that it can be more user friendly. Thank you very much. Please enjoy the session.
Yeah. Thank you, Pravir. So you all would be very proud to know that this Rotary India initiative is the only initiative amongst the entire Rotary world that a country-specific website and app has been developed with the approval of Rotary International to upload the service projects of the entire country by every Rotary Club and Rotarian, and also for various other activities, for excellent communication, for district owner official visit, for creating public image, for administration of the clubs and the districts also. And we have added 2 other initiatives that every Rotary district now is having a district website created, developed and maintained by Rotary India. And those websites for all these 43, 44 districts in India are developed free of cost on behalf of Rotary India, because this Rotary India is getting fund from the Rotary News Trust. We also had another initiative for having every Rotary Club website. I hope Naren will discuss after today's presentation about the club website and how the clubs can get benefit out of it. But now is the time for today's topic for the shortcuts. So over to Naren Rao for his presentation, and then we will take up the questions. Naren, the floor is yours.
Shumanda, yesterday only I came to know, and you will be also proud to know that every Rotary Club in 3250, every 100% Rotary Club 3250 have developed their own website through Rotary India. So
Yes, yes, I know.
Rotary
Now,
Club in 3250.
Now
there
this
are
is
3 or
spreading
4
to other
districts.
districts also. Now 3240 also is doing the same thing. 3262 is also doing the same thing.
Oh,
So now
fantastic. So
There are
this
3 or 4 now in India where 100% Rotary clubs are having their district with the support of the district governor.
Yeah,
So we are
absolutely.
extending this facility to other districts as well. Maybe next year, around 10 to 12 districts will have 100% club website. So
we started
aiming
in
to
20
that. And for that, we
21
need
and 22.
support of
We
the
supported with
also.
50%, and then it became more than 100 clubs. They became at the bank.
So just to inform, 3233, 3262, 3250, and for the next year 3240. So every club of this district will be having the website. So now that will be the trend continued for other districts also. So yeah,
Okay,
thank
so
you very
Naren,
much. Yeah.
now floor is yours.
Yeah, thank you very much, Anshumanji. Thank you, Gurujit, as well as Prabir for joining today. So, friends, so today's topic is little new and trendy, which is not a normal communication or a normal e-governance or a normal public image topic. See, now this is more of a convenience tool. So, what we are trying to develop Rotary India as a platform which should help every Rotary club, every district in terms of a convenience. Example, so let us just understand what is this concept of shortcut and where is it going to be useful. So I want to have a small interactive session in this. I want everybody to chat in the box. So in case we need, we can just pick them up, and first before showing everything, I just need a interact so that everybody understand what is the concept of the shortcut. For example, now let's say in our daily Rotary needs, we may need a specific URL, specific page that my Rotary Club member should keep seeing it. So let me ask this question to people. Rama Suresh, can you answer this part? Rama, I can see her on the screen in the front. Rama, what is that something which you may urgently want to access to? Example, say Rotary.org website, or it can be club website, or it can be linked to a district conference registration link, or it can be anything. So what is that you may feel that as a president-elect in your next year, I want my team to keep seeing this. Example, say, I'm just giving you again a understanding. In WhatsApp, you have an option to pin a message, right? So that that message
Yeah.
is on the top. So you want people to click on that because it's pinned. But unfortunately, it's too much on the top. So normally people do not even see that. But for example, so same way in Rotary, what is that you may want people to refer to? Where or a easy
On a
reference
daily basis.
on a day-to-day
On a
basis.
daily basis.
Yeah, on a
Oh, okay,
day-to-day
on a
basis, yes.
daily.
I want everybody to answer this. I want everybody, we can write the chat box. I'm just sorry. I disabled the chat because it was getting disturbed. Yeah, the chat is enabled. We can do that. So anything that I need
Maybe
my team to refer to, send a message in the chat box. Everybody can participate in this. Okay, someone said favorite, someone said upcoming events,
yeah.
someone says club foundation grieving. Great. Arilji, bank on to the target. Now uploading the projects is by Pragna. Activities of this week. So club invoice. So that means we want my members to access something instantly. Am I right? Messages
What
from
is
the district,
happening?
fantastic, or reference to my Rotary by Amit Sharma. So, or forthcoming project by Murli. So now, what is that you want to have, Rama? So I just want you to answer that too.
Me?
Yeah, what is that you need in your club?
The projects. I want
You want
the
to access the
upcoming
project.
projects.
Now, let us
Weekly
go.
upcoming projects.
It can be the upcoming project. That means you may want to have a nice page which says about, okay, my club, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 projects in this
Like
week, and I want, or this year, and I want everybody to keep seeing that so that I'll achieve
keep
my
saying.
target. Am I right? So
Yeah.
everybody have different thought process. Someone says monthly chart of the club activities. Someone says yearly projects calendar. Fantastic, Rubina. So that means something that we want our club members to have a instant access to, or the same thing from the district side. If the district team is here, I may want to have my district's goal or district target to be seen on the mobile application. The mobile application is limited, it has got limited buttons. Now how do we enable additional things here? So now I'm going to show you the mobile app first, then I'll show you what is that I'm talking about. Give me a second, I'm going to share my screen. I hope you can see my screen. I'm just showing you the Rotary India platform. Now, I'm sure all of us have the Rotary India app. Now, this app is, I'm sure everybody knows, this app is free for all the Rotarians of the club. So that means every member can download this app. Now that means this app is going to be easily accessible by the members of our club. Now let me go to my club. How do I go to my club? You can see a button of my club here called as Thane Hills. I click on the Thane Hills button. Now I can see the directory which is already built in this board of directors, past presidents already there. Calendar is already there. Upcoming event, someone said it's already there. Now I want to see all the projects done by my club is already there in the community service. Club service, all the meetings done in my club. Vocational service, all the vocational service done by my club in the current year. New generation, international service, public image initiatives, newsletters of the club. It's already there. Now, what is the new thing that I want? Can you see these two additional buttons here, which you don't see on your screen? When you open the screen, I want everybody to see your own club's module. Go into the mobile application, click on your club. You will not see these two additional buttons on your screen.
Yes.
Okay, so now this is just a sample. I just added it just now. We'll add it more. So what is this button? What does this button do? So when I click on this club website, it takes me to my club's website. It takes me to my club's website. Or I click on this membership due, it collects me to a separate module where I can pay my membership due. Okay, this is the additional module addition feature. I'm just showing an example as a button. So I have a button called as membership dues. I have a button called as club website. Now, someone said I want to have the button of foundation giving. So that means I want my members to have easy access to foundation giving. So now let us work on this. I want this button foundation giving to come onto my club website. So who said foundation giving? I want to go to their club and show that. Or I can show it on my club and we'll display so that I can show my mobile and see that. So, so now let us discuss what is foundation giving. That means we need to have a beautiful logo of foundation, or we need to have a logo of a money where we can show the money, or we can show the foundation of giving. Am I right? Let's have the interactive. What is the logo that you want in that button? Let's discuss on it. We'll create that logo right now. I want everybody to understand what I'm trying to say. So when I click on this button, so button ke upar jo the design hai, the dollar design, Karthik. So I'm putting the word of, now let me search for a dollar design first. So I'm going to go to Google. I'm writing the dollar image. Okay, so I'm showing this image now. I like this image. I downloaded a dollar image. Now, I also want a Rotary Foundation logo. Example. I'm downloading the Rotary Foundation logo. Okay, I just prepared everything. You can see my screen. Now I'm going to rotaryindia.org. Okay, now I also need to know the foundation link. How should people make the payment? That means I need to have a link to make the foundation link. So how do I find that? I can click on the donate. That means when I click on the donate, this is the button that I need. Can you see this? Rotary.org is a bit slow. So I need to get into this donate button. Am I right? So I'm clicking on the link of this. So now I need this link to be a shortcut in my website. Do you agree with me? I want this link to be a shortcut in my mobile application so that my club members have a easy access to make a payment for the annual fund or an endowment fund or a polio plus fund or whatever that I want to do the donation. Do you agree with me? I need this shortcut. Say yes or no. I need people to contribute. I'll tell you why. Because unfortunately, our mobile has got so many applications that can divert us from focusing on this part. My request to everybody, this is something which is going to be useful. It's going to be useful to you in your club. So now I downloaded the dollar button, I downloaded the foundation button, and I downloaded the link where I need to do it. Now, how do I create this link? Okay, so I'm clicking on the share button. I'm going to the Rotary India platform. I'm going into my admin, right? That is, I log into my club, select my club. So when I went to the dashboard, I'm sure all of us know how to go to the dashboard. When you go to the dashboard, can you see a button here called as web links? You can see this button called as web links. I'm clicking on this button called as web links, and I'm creating a new button called as add, and web link title is contribute. Okay, now dear friends, here is the direct link to contribute for the Rotary Foundation. Let us all contribute. Regards, your name and say club president. Example. Now I need a place for URL. There's a button here. Can you see the none, page, URL, and a PDF? So currently I'm using the button of URL and I'm copying that link. Yeah, I saw that I copied this button called as URL and I just added it here. And I'm giving a text to this button called as click here to click here for PRF contribution. Okay, I'm just writing whatever the name. Now I want to put those images. The logo as suggested by Karthik, I wanted the dollar button on the top. I clicked on the dollar button and inside that I wanted to have the foundation button. You saw what I did now. I put a word called as contribute to TRF करके एक button डाल दिया उसके अंदर TRF contribute whatever the name you can just think of it and I put a link. So instead of a link, in case you have a beautiful PDF, someone said I want to write about my club's goals for the year. I can select a PDF and put that and say goals for 2025. And dear friends, here is the goal for 2025. Da, 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 you can write it. I'm just showing you this and clicking on the save button. I just finished the save button. Now I'm going to show you my phone what happened. So just see this now. I'm just sharing my screen again of my phone. You can see my screen now. I'm clicking on my club. I'm going down. Can you see this? The note button is here. Contribute to TRF. Can you see this button? Contribute to TRF. I click on it. It says the Rotary Foundation. Dear friends, here is the direct link to contribute for the Rotary Foundation. Let's all contribute. Regards, club president. Click on contribution. Now it takes you to the Rotary Foundation site. How simple it is. We struggle to find this link. We ask 100 people, our boss, send me this link, send me this link. How easy it is to do it. Friends, do you find this useful in your club website? Say yes or no. Just say, Dhanashri, take the question, don't worry. How simple it is to have this link. Or tomorrow you want to promote Mahakumbh. You may want to put icon, okay, let's all go to Mahakumbh. Click on it, the content of Mahakumbh. It can be anything. It can be anything that you want to push it to the club members, that they need to see this when they open the Rotary India app easily. So currently I showed you the button for TRF. Now, same place, I can also use it for, as I said, let's say my goal, that's a PDF file I want to put it. So I'm going to show you how you do. I'm just repeating the whole process so that everybody who was confused or not seen it, I'm going to show the entire process again. I'm going to share the screen again. Going back to my club dashboard. I'm sure everybody knows how to get into this dashboard. If you do not know, again, I'll show you that too. Just need to go to rotaryindia.org. Only the current club president, secretary, and treasurers have the right to go into the admins, or whoever the admins of the club. And we already started giving admin rights to presidents and secretaries of next year of the district who's already given us the data. So now clicking on the admin button, when you click on it, of course, you will not see this page, you will see directly. Now, instead of my club, I'm going to show someone else's club. Any one of you can write the name of your club who also has a mobile application right now. I want to create this for your club. I want you to see it on your phone right away. So anybody who wants to do it, write your club name here on the screen. Shaila is asking for Mahim. So I'm going to, Shaila, the first one. Shaila, I'm going to enable your mic too. Shaila, you can.
Yes.
Yeah. And let me add Shaila onto the screen. Yeah, Shaila ji, now I'm going to go into your club and I'm going to enable it. You have the Rotary India app on your phone. I want
Yes.
to see whether it works or not. So we will do the same process. Same foundation button now currently we are putting into Shaila's club, that is Rotary Club of Mahim. So I'm going to share the screen on how do we go to Rotary Club of Mahim. So Shaila has directly got into Mahim Club. Now I'm going to do web links button. And I click on the web links button. I'll say add. Now web link title. What is the thing? We say TRF contribution. Dear friends or dear Rotarians, here is the shortcut for going for contributing to Rotary Foundation. Let us take advantage it and keep contributing. Okay. Regards. Shaila, you are the president elect.
President elect. Yes.
Who's the president of the club?
Vidula. Vidula Kshirsagar.
Can you just tell me the spelling? R-I?
VIDU. RTN. VIDULA.
Vidula. V-I-D-U-L-A.
LA.
Vidula. Full name?
Kshirsagar. KSHIR. KK. KSHIR. SAGAR.
Correct? Fine.
Huh.
Now, I'm going to have the URL. So now I said I need to select the button. I'm selecting URL and I'm putting the same link. Now text is TRF.
Contribution.
Click here for TRF. Okay. Now I'm put the same logo here. Note wala logo for the front, and or I'll change it. I'll put the logo of foundation for the front, and I'm going to put the note wala photograph in the next. Does not matter. And I'm clicking on the save button. My job is done. Can you see your phone on your phone just now, Shaila ji? Just
Yes, I'm
refresh it. Click on Mumbai Mahim.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you
SAP.
show it to everybody? I
Hmm.
want you to show it to everybody, the new button, which is the foundation button. Can you click on the foundation button?
Yeah, click.
The foundation button. Yeah, now can you see that image? Foundation.
Yeah.
Click on the, click here to TRF. Yes, now it's gone to the foundation site. It's going slowly. It's going to the foundation site. So that means that simple the process is. So someone is asking how to copy the URL. Nothing. Just go into, I'm showing you that again, friends. So any doubt, please ask me. Say, how did I get the ETRF foundation? I went into rotary.org. I went into rotary.org, clicked on the donate button. So I got the link on the top, copied that link. That is my.rotary.org, copied this link and pasted it there. That's it. Copy and paste. That's all I did. And I could add this button into the screen. So now let me ask questions which is related to today's topic first, and post that I'll take other questions. First, please ask questions which is related to today's topic. Dhanashri, I'm trying to unmute you. Dhanashri, you can ask.
Yes. So I have a question. So once we use the donate link, they need to, whoever is using that button, they need to have their Rotary org login correctly done, right?
That is fine. So don't bother. So they have to log in. So donate me, there is a login ID, password, they need to do it. I'm not worried about that. So currently the concept is on the shortcut part. So
Okay.
that is the limitation of Rotary.org. They want you to log into the Rotary.org. That is a accepted feature by the Rotary. So when I click on this example, say, in case I want to make the payment, when I click on this button, it'll, I selected this, I want to make a donation.
So basically further they will have to give
Example,
their
I select the option of $2,000. It'll ask me to sign in.
sign. Okay.
So that's fine. Or I can also use it as a guest
Yes.
expert.
Okay.
But I need to sign in case I need to get the points for myself.
Points.
Okay.
Exactly. Got it.
Yeah.
No problem.
My whole concept is on the shortcut currently. There's a link feature that you're asking for. So my problem is on the shortcut. If there's any problem, anybody, what is the shortcut for? Any confusion, you did not understand, or you were diverted because some calls came to you, please ask any questions regarding that. Yeah,
No,
Pragna.
this is good feature actually. Really good feature.
Yeah, Pragnaji.
Yeah, so what I've understood that you create this link in rotaryindia.org, right? The way you have shown the
This
step.
link is a part of Rotary India app. So when you create it in your dashboard, so all the people of your club who's using the app, they will have the link under Rotary Club of Bombay Airport. So when you click on the Bombay Airport, you would have seen a lot of buttons. You would have seen the directory, you will see the board
Yeah.
of directors. In
Yeah.
that new button which you're creating is this. The new button added there. So now in the club meeting or in the WhatsApp, we can say you want to have the foundation button. All you require is go into Rotary India app, select our club Mumbai Airport, and you'll see that button. This is what you can promote it. Or tomorrow, you may want to promote, as a lot of people said, you may want to talk about your next year's entire goals. You have shared that goal in the WhatsApp group, but after that, there are 2,000 other messages. Your goal is gone beyond the normal listing. Now, this is a place where you can keep doing that. So it is remembering everybody, and not only to them, for you also. In case you want to see the goal, just have to go to that PDF file in the Rotary India app itself. It's like an instant accessibility for you from the button.
So as a president or admin, your job is to create the link, right? That is the way we should go.
Correct. You can create a link or a PDF. Let's say now you have a beautiful PDF created. I'm just giving example. Let's say now you have plans for 25, 26. That Bombay Airport is going to have this much of TRF collection, this much of projects worth so much of things, or whatever. You have a beautiful PDF, which normally you put that in the district or your club website. Am I right? Now, this also can be within the button. So that when I click on that PDF from that button, it's called as Goal 25, 26 example. click on it, it opens up the PDF which is created by Pragna. Everybody can see it. So that PDF, we are not going to delete it for the entire year example. Clear? Yeah. Sunil ji. Sunil ji. Hello. 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 I think there is a problem from Sunil's mic. Karthik.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good
My
evening.
question is how to edit something, I mean, in the middle, like the app is the link or whatever it's running. If I want to edit it, and second one is how to remove it, sir.
Same process. So when I go back into the system, I go into the same place. I want to delete this, I can delete it. Or I want to deactivate this link, I can deactivate it. I want to edit it, I can edit it.
Oh,
Can you
okay,
see?
with the same. Okay, sir.
It's all here.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
My question is, can we also create a similar link for clubs donation, clubs contribution, like the fee or whatever?
Yes, I'll show you that. I'll show you that.
Thank you.
Next week's topic is going to be on the club membership due collection. Okay, next week's topic. So anyway, I'll show you that on my screen just now. I'll just again show my mobile. Give me a second. You can see my screen now. I'm clicking on my club. Can you see this button called as membership dues?
Yeah.
And I can also see club website and contributor tier. All the three are here. Now, when
Yeah.
I click on the membership dues, it opens up a page called as membership due collection 24-25.
Yeah.
Click here to open, and I can also make my payment by selecting my name. So here, the technology which we developed, there's a new tool which we are going to again talk about it next week. See, my name is not here. Why? Because I have already made the payment. So moment I make the payment, my name gets deleted from the list. So this is the tool that we have developed where, so okay, I just selected another person's name. I have an option to make the payment from online, offline. We shall come to that next week and explain in the future.
Okay, we don't have this in our.
There's a new module which we have done and we'll be showing it to you. But finally, I'm just showing you the button here. Okay, the membership
Okay.
button is here.
Yeah.
Or
Thank you.
I want to go to my club website. I want people to know about my club website. I click on the club website. Now, dear healers, here is a link to our club website. Tuck. It
Yeah.
takes me to my club website. You can see the screen, my club
Yes.
website
Yes.
screen, and I want to see how many projects my club has done. All the data is going to be coming here. Now you can see the president, the secretary, and the project that by my club is done. Everything is going to be 23 projects. So and so here. Or I want to go and see the projects. I can go and click on the projects. I can see all the projects of my club. It's all here in the club website. But it is a
Yes. Yes.
link which is finally added in the mobile application.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, Alok. Sorry.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I just now added this TRF contribution link in my mobile app. So while you were explaining this, I immediately did it.
Super.
And thank you for this feature.
Great. And what you
And
should also do, Alok, you
yeah,
being a dual role holder, do
yeah,
this for the district too. So you can
exactly.
do the same module for the district. It can be your upcoming conference schedule, or it can be
That's it.
anything to do with the contribution, anything. You can directly have this link added there, or it can be your governor's goals that you want to display to the thing can also be done. So then you should also promote this by saying, for this, click on to the district module and click on that button. You will see it. Simple.
Okay, I'll do it in the upcoming pet sets also.
Yes.
Yeah.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you. Anju, I'm trying to unmute you.
So I was trying to do something with on my phone, but do I need to have the admin rights first to do anything?
Your admin rights already been given, Anju. You are a president of 25, 26 for.
Yeah, but
Did you get a mail day before yesterday on the admin rights?
I haven't checked my mail so
Yeah.
2 days, but I don't think.
3141, all the presidents already been given the admin rights.
Okay.
2 3 days back.
So we have to put in our some admin right. Can you see like my website, my club, Rotary Club of Bombay Powai, and little bit guide me towards it?
Yeah, I'll just show you that. So I'm going into Bombay Powai. So I go into web links. Now nothing to display. Why? Because there is nothing added. So now we can add it here. So do you want the same button?
Yeah, I mean TRF का हमारा है. I can see TRF contribution.
Where?
If you just it's
No,
there.
this is the different one. See, this is a TRF contribution is for you to add members data. So this link is for the members to add their information. When I click on this, let's say I select TRF contribution. Now here dear friends, here is the direct link for TRF contribution through Rotary.org. Example. I click on it, I add the link, I say click here to donate. Now I go into the logo, I select foundation, I go into the banner logo and select the dollar and click on the save. Now see your phone. Now just refresh your phone, app, or you can close the app and just start it again. Click on the Bombay Powai. Meanwhile, I'll just take one more question from Urmi. Yeah, Urmi, I'm trying to unmute you.
Yeah. Hello, sir. I'm from Garima 3142.
Yeah.
And like I am the president elect this year, but I did not get the admin right. Like whenever I am trying to log in, I am getting
You are the
access.
president elect, right? You are the president
Yeah.
for next year.
Yeah,
So
20.
3142 is not been given as it. We have asked Harsh for the data. We'll not we'll be giving it to you soon.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
So I can see now.
Yes. Now you can see the new button, right? Which are not.
Yeah. Yes, I can
Now
see.
you can keep on adding buttons there. You can keep on adding so many links that you want the public to get access to. It can be. So my request, everybody, let us do that as soon as possible. One is a foundation link. Second is once you have your plan for 25, 26 is on, let us use this tool to write about your goals for 25, 26 here.
So you have to create this link in Rotary India, right? Or
Yeah,
Rotary org.
dashboard that I went to the rotaryindia.org dashboard.
Rotary India.org.
Yeah, Ravi.
Sir, good evening, sir. The Ravi Tambabatala 3020, sir. District.
Yeah, hi. Tell me.
Sir, governor is eligible to check all aspects Rotary website.
Governor?
Governor is eligible to check all district
Governor keeps
activities.
getting a record of everything.
Like that only, assistant governor also is eligible to check under his clubs. But what about Rotary magazine, sir? If we are giving permission to Rotary magazine people, they will send correct data, correct dues to concerned districts.
They are given the
Why?
data.
Because they don't have, as per my knowledge,
Keep giving them the data.
they are. Sorry.
We have given them the data, the Rotary News Trust people. We have already given them the data. They have already asked for it, and we give the data of the club number of members in the club. We already sent it.
No, but they are not sending correct invoices, sir.
When
Because
they
last
when
year
they call you,
membership.
when they call you, ask them to this thing. When they call you, you should say this. You should very well say this. Why don't you take this data from Rotary.org? Tell this to them.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Where do
Thank
we
you.
fill up our goals? Like you said, you fill up your goals.
No. I just give an example. Imagine that you have a plan for your next year. It can be Bombay Powai should collect 10 crores of rupees for so many projects. Or you may want to do 200 public toilets in the entire Andheri East. Example.
Yes.
Maybe your target and the project. Now you can make a nice PDF file, nice like a newsletter. You can make a nice PDF file and then add this here. Instead of a URL, you can select a PDF and you can add this here called as goal for 25-26, whatever. So public of your club can access to this link every day is what I'm trying to say.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Narendra ji, you sent the mail, you said, by which ID it was sent?
From no reply at rotary.org, you would have received an email on the for the password.
I don't think it's come.
I'll check that. So Bombay Airport, I'll just check that.
Day for yesterday you sent?
Yeah, just Usha, can you just check with the team whether the login ID password for
Yeah, I'm just doing that. Yeah, I sent it again.
I also haven't
Subir.
received.
Yeah, Subir. Patnaik ji, hello. Barada Patnaik. Sir.
Hello.
Yes,
Can
sir.
you hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm the president-elect of RCB Metro Bhubaneswar.
Okay.
And I've got the Rotary India app on my phone, but I find when I tap it, I get this. I'm going into my page of the Metro directly.
Yeah.
And Baki, it's not where I can put this buttons later on. How it can be added?
Yeah, see,
It is something like
you are
this.
not the admin of your club. Moment you enable the admin buttons,
Okay.
we will be giving you the admin rights soon. Moment you get the admin rights, then only you'll be able to add this link. So this feature is available only for the admin to add, but is seen by the entire club.
Okay. Well, at the moment, as soon as I tap the Rotary India, I straight away go into my page.
Correct.
It
Do you have
shows
a
my
button
name.
called as admin? Can you see a button called as admin?
No, and it's not showing the admin out here. It's only
Yeah,
showing
you are not the admin as at the moment you get an admin button, only then you'll get that.
Roger. Okay. Right.
Thank you.
I have another question. Can I ask?
Yeah, please.
So they are saying your mail is telling me that download the app and you will get this. So I have to again re-download this?
No.
It's saying like, where do I fill up
You
my
already received a
password?
mail, right? You received a mail, right?
I have received the mail, yes.
Now you need to go to rotaryindia.org
Okay.
and then click on the admin login, type your mobile number as a login ID,
Okay.
and you get a password button there.
So Rotary India org and type, you said something, please repeat. Can you repeat? Can you say steps again?
I'll show you the steps.
Yeah.
So all those people who have got the new admin rights just need to go to rotaryindia.org. Can you see this? You're on the screen
Yes.
now.
Yeah.
You see the admin login here. When you click on it, your mobile number is 91 is already mentioned. Your country is just type your mobile number. And password that you receive, you type.
Okay.
When you click on that, it will directly take you to your club. That is, it will come to this page directly.
Okay.
It comes to this page. So now
Okay.
once you get into this page, now you have all the actions.
Okay. And this is my always this password is going to remain with me for one full year.
You can change the password. Just go here and you can click on your name on the top right here.
Okay.
There's a button to change the password.
Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
Pragya, you will also receive this. In case you're not received, I already told the team to.
I just now got it. Got it.
Got it.
Now I got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Urmi, you had a question.
Yeah, sir, because I did not have the admin right till now, so I could not do anything. So sorry, where will I get the link to for the session today?
No, I didn't understand your question.
You did the recording, na, sir, because I could not do anything on my phone because I did not
So
have the.
Urmi, I'm just seeing your club. You are already admin. Your admin rights already been given. Anyway, I'm just resending it to you. Your Mrs. Urmi Soni.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've already sent you the admin rights again. You would have received it by now.
Okay, sir, thank you so much. But then, whatever recording has been done for
You will
today's.
get an email post this meeting with the minutes, and in that you will also get a link to today's recording.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
That will be from Rotary Master. Email from.
You'll get an email from today's email from no reply at rotaryindia.org.
Okay. Okay.
It will come there.
Fine. Thank you.
Yeah, Abaji.
Anji, good evening.
Good evening.
First of all, we are yet to receive the admin rights. How much?
You're
This
from
is
which district?
district 3080.
3080. Don't worry. We are in touch with the Ravi Prakash. Once he gives us the data, we'll be giving that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And yes, one more request. Although you have explained it twice or thrice, can you again explain the overall? Because I'm still not able to understand how to create a new button
Simple.
on our phone app.
Without showing anything, I'll just simply tell you. You just need to log into your rotaryindia.org. You come to the
Yes.
dash. In the dashboard, there's a button called as web links.
Okay.
In the
Okay.
web link button, you have option
Hmm.
to write the main banner button. That is the main banner is example, say foundation. Then you have a
Okay.
nice place to write the content. Example, say, dear Rotarians,
Message.
message that you
That
want.
is basically a message we want to
Message.
write.
And after that, there's a place for you to write a URL. You can also write the
Okay.
URL,
Okay.
or it can be a PDF file. Plus,
Okay.
which I didn't discuss today, that's also option of you want putting a YouTube link. Example, say now you want to explain how to make the payment to TRM. If there's a YouTube link,
Yes.
you can also
Yeah.
put that
Yeah.
so people can actually see that steps too. If there's a YouTube link,
Yeah.
you can put that and click
Okay.
on save. That's it. The link is created
Hmm.
and it is
Okay.
available
And
on
now we were also, wanting that we inform our members about the dues, what you were just discussing.
So next
That
week,
will be
we are
next.
Yeah, next week we are going to
Okay.
show you the entire features of the club membership dues. And my request to you, you also talk to other batchmates of yours in 3080, please, and ask them
Hmm.
also to come for this very, very important
Okay.
session next week, which is going to be on the collection of club membership dues automatically. It has got
All
beautiful
right.
features. We'll explain you how to do it. And I'm sure it's going to be really useful to everybody sitting here.
Yes.
Club members का
That's going to
data
be
है
useful.
Yeah, yeah. We are going to train you on how to collect membership dues completely online. That means, imagine, I'm just giving a very brief about next week's session. Imagine I'm the president-elect of the club and I need to communicate to everybody. First, I'll communicate saying that please make the payment, make the payment. Fine. So, moment someone makes a payment, someone would have made a payment by check or a cash or a online. Once you come to know, okay, out of your 100 people, 25 people have made a payment. Now your headache is to communicate to balance 75. We have
Hmm.
simplified that process.
Yes.
One
Yes.
click, a notification can go to only those who have not made the payment.
Hmm.
And this
So
data of their names will come by itself, data bank of their club
we'll
members.
guide you on the whole process next week.
It will come automatically or
Yes,
we'll have to feed in?
it will come automatically. You don't need to do anything. It will all come automatically. Not only that, some clubs may have, Anju's club may have uh, male membership is 30,000 bucks, a female member is 25,000 rupees, or a couple membership may be having 20,000 bucks. In case you have differential payment, even those things can be shown to you how to do it, and we'll explain that to you next week.
Good evening.
Okay.
Good evening. Yes, so
Thank
be
you.
Nando, can I speak?
Yeah, please go ahead, sir.
See, it's my submission only. It's a very good program going on since long. So, district conference is going on and district level AG's seminar also will coming. So, can you please show this program, your program in that seminar and conference? It will be good for everyone.
Yes, what we do is we communicate to the governors, and the governors call us for the PLS or a SELS or a AGLS. So we
Right.
go there. So you're from which district, Subirji?
3240.
3240. So now I'm coming to Guwahati for the PLS, which is happening in on 28th of February. So we'll be giving a
21.
presentation there. Yeah.
AGLS is at Jalpaiguri on 1st and 2nd February.
Okay, okay. First and second will not be coming, but we'll be coming on 28th February to Guwahati for it. So Kameshwar, yeah, we'll be
Actually,
communicating.
it will be convenient and for easily accessible to all the
You tell
members.
this to Kameshwar ji. In case you want someone to come, then we can coordinate ourselves and do that.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, can I talk, please?
Yeah, please, please.
Yeah, I just logged in into this thing, but it's showing invalid credentials.
Yeah, because you are not been given the admin rights.
No, acha, but I got the mail.
Did you get a mail on the password?
Yeah,
1 second. You are from which club?
RCB Metro, Bhubaneswar Metro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I put my telephone number and the
What's your
password.
full name, sir?
Varada Prasad Patnaik.
No, you would have got different email. There is no. You are not there.
No, I got the email on the same address, same email.
No. Now you check your email now.
Okay.
On bpp1951@gmail.com, you would have received a mail.
Yeah, that is my email ID.
Yeah, now you'll get it. You would have got a different mail now, Bharat.
Okay.
Yeah, Devraj, please go ahead.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, actually, I logged my website, but I forgot the security for answer. But how can I find out that one?
But what is the issue?
The security. Actually, security login. I forgot the password.
No,
I didn't.
you to click on forgot password and you can do that.
So I forgot security also. So how can I find?
No. In Rotary.org, if you have a problem, then we can't help you. You need to send an email to data@rotary.org. It's very complicated and not simple process to do it. So you need to send an email to data@rotary.org and they can only guide you. They will send a reset link to you.
Okay.
Okay. So you need to send an email to data@rotary.org, giving all your credentials and say that I forgot the password and forgot the security question. They will guide you on that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Rama Suresh.
What happens sometimes, some members contribute to the club, like they say, I'll do the painting and he gives 50,000 and somebody, and then we thank them in the meeting and then it's all forgotten. So can we have an icon where these people who have been contributing?
Excellent idea. This is what you should do. So you're recognizing the members who are contributing.
Yeah.
So beautiful idea. This is what, see, when we all meet, these are new ideas come into picture. Excellent idea, Rama. You should actually think of doing that. I want everybody to actually take this idea from Rama. Excellent idea where we can actually, it is more like a recognition board. So even if you see, even in the
that's a
airport
nice
today,
word.
even a CISF for the month, there is a photograph there and they say he is the CFS employee for the month. So same way, you can also have the best contributor for the month of July or whatever. You can have a think of it. You can also have a button there and do that.
Sir, we have a issue in this topic in our club. Like some of us do donate and some of us don't donate. So those of them, are saying
I'm
they
not,
have some issue
Anju, I'm
and they
not
talk
getting into
about
the
it
debate here.
loudly.
So this is an idea, you can use it. I'm not here to debate on it. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, I have logged in now. Now it is working.
Yeah, thank you, Bharataji.
Yeah. Sure.
So anybody else has any questions, any doubt, or any other topics that we covered last week? In case you have any doubt, you can discuss today.
What
Any
was
other?
last week's topic? I missed out the class, I think.
No, you were there last week.
Yeah, you were there.
And if I'm traveling, then I don't get the link of your this thing. I may be traveling next week. So will I get the
You will get the.
recording?
But my request to you, next week is a very, very beautiful topic. It is really going to help the club president-elect and secretary-elect in terms of saving huge amount of money, one, and time. Not the money, sorry, time. And second thing is, imagine you have very senior members in the club or people who are contributing regularly, but they're not paid their club fees. And you can't keep calling them. You can't say, Anju, you are all excellent, but Anju, I not received your payment. You will hear my voice twice. Third time you will not pick up my call. Why? Because Naren is going to call for the payment. So the system can generate this notification much easier to operate, and we have upgraded this tool and we are working on it. By next week, we will have it displayed to you.
Okay. Date क्या पड़ेगा?
Yeah. Yeah. Dayanand Revankar.